Now, in terms of other bits, like we did do how to move off last time, we did pull up to the left.
Yep.
Do you still need my help, or you can do that by yourself?
I believe I can do that by myself. That's what I've
Let's do
been
this.
recapping myself throughout the
Well
week. The only thing that I'm going to say, do I have to indicate to pull off?
Okay, so you ask yourself, will your indicator benefit any other road users?
Yes. Because
If the answer is yes, you must indicate.
Lovely. That's all I just wanted to clarify. Thank you very much.
Right, now quickly recap you can relax yourself. When I asked you to move off, obviously you asked me a very good question, I give the answer.
Yeah.
Now the correct procedure, because it's on a video, this will help you a lot when you go back and watch it. Now the correct way of doing it, so it's called POM routine. Prepare, observation, and then maneuver or move. Now I will talk you through this. It will help you out, so you will remember this, because you did miss two things. I did not see your head movement for the mirrors, and I did not see your... So when I asked you to drive off, or the examiner asked you to drive off, the correct way of using the POM routine is you press a brake for me and go to the drive. Let's do this. So what you did now, this is prepare. So you have prepared yourself.
You're prepared.
Now observation. So check all three mirrors and then signal to the right. Once you have done it, now look at your left blind spot check and the right blind spot check. If nobody's coming, look at your right mirror and then go. Make sense?
Yeah.
And then start looking ahead, cancel your signal, and before you start moving, just check all three mirrors again, make sure all safe, and then carry on driving. There you go. That going to help you